Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a second YouTube channel on the exact same Google account on your iPhone or Android. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, what you're going to do is open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. It's better to do it in here as opposed to the app. From here, go to youtube.com. Once you're on youtube.com, tap on You at the bottom right, and make sure you're signed into the correct account that you wanted to create that second channel for. After you've done that, tap on the URL bar, and we're going to go directly to studio.youtube.com. Again, type in studio.youtube.com and hit go. Sometimes it will prompt you to switch over to the app. We want to stay on the website-based version to be able to do this. So tap on Continue in Studio at the bottom. From here, take your fingers and zoom in to the very bottom left. Tap on the Get Settings or Gear icon. Zoom out a bit so that you can see everything. Again, it takes a little bit of finessing on your fingers to be able to access what you want. So kind of zoom in and out to be able to navigate to it. Under General, tap on Channel. Tap on Advanced Settings midway down. Scroll to the bottom. Tap on Manage YouTube Account. This will open up a new web page, and you can see now I'm in my Google account, my YouTube account. If I scroll down, you can see it says Add or Manage Your Channels. Tap on Add or Manage Channels. Tap on the plus here under All Channels. It says how you appear. This will be basically how you'll look. You can select a picture. You can select a name. You can also select a handle for your new YouTube channel. Keep in mind, your name and your picture can be whatever you want. Your handle does need to be unique. No one else on YouTube can have the exact same handle. So just choose that handle, fill out that information, and tap Create Channel at the bottom right, and you will have created that second channel, but it's on the exact same Google or YouTube account as your first channel. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.